Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is unboxing number 8. So, as one of the benefits of being a consultant, you can get early access to the new products. This is one of these boxes. I have the Color of the Year Melon. The new color Honey Butter. They are the two of the, I think 5. Let me check. Yep, 2 of 5 new colors. We have Pine. We have Mist. And we have Seabrook. So they are the new colors, which is coming out next month. But as I'm a maker, I got early access. Okay, what else did I get? I got the Molly Moo alphabet. Thought that was extra cute. I got the Prayers and Sympathy stamp. The Health, Love and Happiness stamp. More Than Imagine stamp. Your Kindness stamp. To Another Year stamp. I think these are all, yeah, these are all A size stamps except the first one, which was the, what was it, Molly Moo? Yeah, Molly Moo is a D size. So that one is For Your Life Ahead. So these ones are all A size. So I got all of those in this bundle. I got the Molly Moo alphabet, which is a D size stamp. And the colours that are coming out are Seabrook, Mist, Pine, Melon, which is Colour of the Year, and Honey Butter. Alright then guys, that's what I got in this parcel. Catch me soon on another unboxing. Bye.